There are 5 billion tons of plastic in landfills around the world. 8 million tons land in our oceans every single year. That's a dump truck of plastic a minute. Even in the European Union, with the strictest controls, less than 32% is recycled. Why? Because there are few effective and economical technologies to recycle large fractions of waste plastic. So we at Handerek Technologies have developed a method to recycle waste plastic to fully refined diesel and gasoline fractions. How do we do this? Plastic is made from oil. Our technology, we take that plastic and break down the carbon chains to make it back into oil. And then, better yet, we enrich the process through hydrogenation at atmospheric pressure to produce fully refined fuels. It's a highly effective process. 1 kilogram of plastic produces 1 liter of fuel. So waste management companies are paid to collect collect municipal waste, sort it. They sell off those fractions that they can to recyclers, such as glass, metal, even PET plastic bottles. But the rest of it, they now have to pay to incinerate or landfill. In Poland, they're paying starting from 62 euros per ton. By adopting our technology, they can convert what is a disposal expense to a highly profitable revenue source. Of course, this is not just a Polish problem, this is a global problem. And in Germany, they're paying 160 euros per ton, and in the US, 43 euros per ton. So we're a B2B, B2G technology provider. We'll charge a licensing fee plus 5 million euros per 10,000 ton equipment fee, and our customers are companies that have large waste plastic to manage, or fuel and chemical companies. The addressable market by segment is, in the US alone, 600 installations could be built, which would be a $2.8 billion euro market, In Europe, 1.4 billion. We will reach our customers directly through trade shows and through cooperation with engineering and construction companies. We already have letters of interest from 9 cities and companies to install over 500,000 tons of installation. We're a team. My partner, Adam Handerek, he is the visionary behind the technology with over 12 years dedicated to research and development to develop this technology. I'm a serial entrepreneur with global experience in US, Canada, China, and Poland. We've won many awards, including the last one. We've been elected as top 30 European clean tech startup. And that's everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
My question for you would be, have you calculated the carbon footprint that all of the energy, that was too quick for me. Can we talk about that real quick?
So fuel produced from plastic actually produces 12.5% less carbon emissions than the same amount of fuel produced from crude oil. We also will, because it's not extracting virgin oil, we save 60 to 70% of the carbon emissions from the extraction of the oil from the ground, and of course transportation of those fuels from places like the Middle East to Europe. Not only that, of course, we had the positive environmental impact of maximizing the recycling of the plastic and being able to dispose of it.
For me, it's interesting. How long does it actually take this conversion from plastic to oil or to fuel?
About an hour.
An hour per kilogram to receive a liter?
For whatever size reactor it is.
Okay.
So, in your case, you're in the fuel market. Who would you be selling to first?
In the fuel side, we would be selling, if the fuel companies were interested in purchasing the technology, that's one thing, because we're selling the technology. For the customers who are building the installations, for example, in Poland, 10% of the fuel market is independents. So there is a platform, because it's a commodity. In all our financial projections, we've done 12% less than wholesale wholesale commercial prices and still have extremely high margins because our feedstocks are free.
Okay.
I have one more question for you. What is your ask?
We're asking for 2 million zloty to develop our 300-ton engineering pilot.
That's 500K
Yes.
euro. Okay.
No additional questions on my end.
No.
No?
From-
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great idea.
Got it.
Yeah.